Hey Valley Christian families, my name is Greg Tonkinson and I just want to take 2 minutes out of your day to talk to you about an incredible event coming up here at Valley Christian on September 5th, 6th, and 7th. We are going to experience our first ever off-campus spiritual emphasis conference on Wednesday, September 5th through Friday, September 7th, and your son or daughter is going to be a part of that. I want to give you a few logistics just so we're all on the same page of how that's going to work. On Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you are going to drop your son or daughter off at Crossroads Nazarene Church. That's going to be on the northeast corner of Ray and the 101. We'll have staff there anytime after 7 a.m. The doors to the worship center will open at 7:30 a.m. and then the conference will begin at 8 o'clock. So we'd love for your son or daughter to be dropped off, probably the normal time you drop them off to go to school. Drop them off at the church instead. Now, if you have a son or daughter going to the junior high where you drop off both of your kids here and then the junior hires take a bus over, do the same thing. You can drop your kids off here at the high school and we will have a bus that will take all the kids from the high school to the junior high and then from the junior high to the church, and that way no disruption will take place in your schedule. At 3:10 p.m., the conference will end both on Wednesday and Thursday, and so we're asking you come to the church to pick up your student rather than come here to the school. If you're in a situation where your son or daughter usually waits for an hour or so for you to get to the school because of work situations, we will have a bus that will take the student from the church to the school, so that should not change. On Friday, you will drop your son or daughter off at the church, but we are going to spend 4 hours doing community service in the city of Chandler. So excited about that. And what's going to happen at 12:30 is a bus will bring them back from the work site to the church where you can pick them up. So remember, on Friday, September 7th, we will only be having school, if you will, from 8 o'clock till 12:30. If, again, you have a work situation, a bus will take your student from the church back here to Valley High School, and you can pick your son or daughter up at a later time. So on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, if you normally order lunches here at the school, you will be credited back those lunches. And instead, on Wednesday and Thursday, we are allowing your student to go off campus. We have an hour and 15 minutes to go to a number of eateries right around the church. 2 things I want you to know. 1, our staff will be out there helping your student go through the right crosswalks so everything will be safe. And number 2, they will have to travel in groups. But you may want to give them some money on Wednesday and Thursday to buy their own lunch. Now, if that's not an option for you, you're more than willing to pack a lunch and allow them to eat on campus both Wednesday and Thursday. On Friday, the day will end at 12:30, so there's no need to have them bring a lunch with them. More information will be coming in the form of an email, but the 2 things I want you to hear loud and clear is where to drop off and pick up your son or daughter on the 5th, 6th, and 7th of September, and what do we do about lunches during those 3 days. Hey, thanks so much for listening, and we will see you soon.